Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Grid app step by step. Start by creating a project folder, initialize npm and scaffold index. HTML style, CSS and app, JS. Open your code editor and run a dev server to preview changes. Commit an initial Git snapshot so you can track progress. Keep files small and test often as you add features and styles to the Grid layout. Create a Grid container and set display to Grid, then define Grid template columns, rows, and gap. Use repeat 1FR to make 3 equal columns and adjust gap for spacing. Add align items and justify items to control content placement. Test responsiveness by resizing the browser and tweak column counts with media queries or CSS clamp functions for smooth scaling across devices. Add interactivity by wiring up event listeners for clicks, hover, and drag actions on Grid items. Use class toggles to change styles and data attributes to store state. Modify the DOM efficiently with request animation frame and debounced handlers for expensive operations. Test keyboard accessibility and area roles to ensure users can navigate with a keyboard or screen reader. Iterate on feedback to refine behavior and animations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.